All this could have an impact on students in a year that's already been turbulent. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake talked with local health officials today. Sarah, what'd they have to say?
Well, doctors stress that this virus will continue to spread if we're not careful. They warn that these numbers are not something the community can sustain for long and keep our schools open safely. The key COVID-19 metric the Johnson County Department of Health and Environment uses to determine school learning modes shot up to the red zone on Friday.
We are really at a tipping point. We're very close to losing control over this virus.
Dr. Sanmi Areola said the incident rate is at 307 new COVID cases per 100,000 people over the last 2 weeks, which is the highest it's ever been. But although the red zone calls for remote learning, the health department is still recommending schools stay in the orange zone. This is part of the reason why.
We have to also factor in that the schools have been doing a good job. They have been quickly identifying the cases. We haven't had any major outbreaks in any of our school buildings, which means that the steps that we put in place with the schools are working.
The incident rate fluctuated up and down between July and October before shooting up to 307.
I want people to understand that the intent is not to be going back and forth because numbers are changing from red to orange or orange to red. If we do that, we're going to lose the stability that our schools need.
Out of the 6 school districts in Johnson County, 3 follow the county health department's gating criteria: Shawnee Mission, Olathe, and Gardner-Edgerton. None of the districts were available for comment Friday, but a spokesperson at Shawnee Mission said, quote, "We follow the science and need to wait to hear from JCDHE on what the data means. Before then, public conversations are premature." Data from the state health department shows kids 17 and younger are far less likely to get the virus. Doctors stress the responsibility is on the community to be safe because they only anticipate numbers going up.
Really, outbreaks in schools don't really happen. And if they are, they're pretty isolated outbreaks. What more is the large gathering areas, is the bars, is the restaurants, is the get-togethers with friends and family.
The Johnson County Health Department told us that they are working on figuring out where all of these new COVID cases are coming from. Again, the health department is still recommending schools stay in the orange zone, so nothing changes for the schools for now. I'm Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.